All right, there's a peacock under my dock. I'm gonna try and get the first one on fly. Let's see how I gotta try and sneak around here. Oof. Peas are out there. Peacocks are out here, guys. Oh, come on. There we go. Cichlid. We got the big one. There's like 3 or 4 of them in a little pile there. I couldn't tell if they were peacocks or cichlids. And the mama bit. Okay, well, that's it. It's pretty cool. Mayan cichlid on fly. Okay. Still after that peacock bass. It's cool. I'll take it. Oh, got another one. Still going for the peacocks. I just keep hooking these guys. It's good practice though, guys. I've never appreciated Mayan cichlids more than when you're trying to catch fish on a fly and they offer some kind of action. Little punk. There's a peacock. There's peacocks sitting right over there. They're not big either. They're kind of like perfect size for this little setup here. Why isn't the line going out? Come on, let's get one pea. I mean, I don't mind the Mayan cichlids, but I really want a peacock. Come on. Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is. There he is. Come on. It's right by him. Wow, I just bounced off his head. I didn't even look at it. What the heck? Not interested. I just bounced my fly right off the peacock's head, and he didn't freaking budge. He didn't flinch. I had one follow earlier, but he did not commit. Try for, there's a tilapia there, spotted tilapia. They're nesting. I wonder if they'd be interested. I'll try and put it right in their nest. Tilapia don't, tilapia apparently don't care much about their young. I'm putting that fly right in their nest, and they're not even, come on, come on. They're just intimidation, not. Freaking hooked a blade of grass. Little peacock, like a half pounder. He just wants nothing to do with the fly. He keeps coming in and out of this little area. Oh, that's him, that's him. Oh, he's after it. I think I need a faster retrieve. Casting against the wind here. Okay, fish number 2. I think it's another cichlid. Yeah, it's a Mayan. Fighting though, gosh. Yee. Come on. Come on, baby. Wow, he's fighting. Woo. Okay. That's awesome. They're pretty. Kind of annoying when you're trying to get peacocks, but at least it's something to tug on. Practicing with my fly rod.